Okay, so here is the video on how to change your lock screen and your desktop background to make it an animated clip. We're going to use the Disney intro clip. So the first thing you do is go to YouTube and find the clip of your choice. I am using the intro from Wish. You'll want to copy the URL. You'll also need to download this application called Clip Grab. This allows you to use the YouTube URL to download the video to your computer. You put the URL in there. Incorrect URL. There we go. Put the URL in there. And then this will light up saying grab this clip. And you can save it, whatever name you want, wherever you want. I'm going to save it to my downloads. And perfect, it finished downloading. So now you can go to your downloads and you can see that it is saved. I've saved it a couple times to your computer. What you'll now want to do is copy the video. I'm just gonna copy this one. Then what you're going to do is go to Go, Computer, click on your Macintosh HD, Library, Application Support, and then this com.apple.ideal whatever, and then Customer. And then the one on the end here, the 4K SDR 240 FPS. Now this video is one of the videos that Apple provides for your lock screen and desktop that I have already downloaded to my computer. What you'll want to do is paste your video here, and then you'll want to copy the name of this video and make it the name of this video. I'll have to make this move. Oh, let's delete this first. So move that to trash. And now we'll change the name. There we go. So now we have this video. So now what you want to do is you'll want to go to change your wallpaper, and you will want to click on the video that you changed. So that happens to be this one. Now you can see it changed my wallpaper here. To see the animated version, you'll want to go to your lock screen. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Go to your lock screen. And your video will start to play. There will not be any sound with your video, however, it will just be the animation.